Hey guys, it's Paula from WTI, and today I was talking all about my makeup, and I've recently been trying to up my game. I just realized I didn't know what I was doing, so I started watching tutorials, and I noticed that they all had better brushes than what I had. I usually just use my fingers and just didn't know what I was doing. So I got this Real Techniques set, and I really like it. It comes with these brushes and two of these spongy things. Believe it or not, I know these have been around forever, but I had never tried one, and I really like it for concealer. Like this worked great. I now know why everyone uses this. I really like the quality of the brushes. I love the way this material feels in the hands, and I think that this is in general for like facial powder application, like blush. I've been using this for like a bronzer as well as like general translucent powder, setting powder as well, and I use this as a full palette eyeshadow brush. So I really like them. If you're starting off like me and you don't know where to begin, get yourself a set, because they probably know what people tend to buy in general as that doesn't make sense. Anyways, I would say buy a set in case you don't know where to start, and they usually have done the work for you. They know what people need, and this one is a very functional one. So I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.